Hi everyone. We are back on the live again. Do let us know if we are audible and visible to you guys, and then we can start this session. All right, so please drop down in the chat if we are audible and visible to you all. We have a very exciting news to share. Please drop in the chat and let us know. All right, so we have gotten one audible by Sahil. Okay. All right. All right. It seems like the audio and the video is clear to everyone. So hi and welcome to the session again. We have very exciting news for you all. Cisco is hiring for the 2023 batch. So we are here again with the hiring for the 2023 batch, that is Cisco. And let's discuss a little about this hiring, and meanwhile others can also join. Good afternoon, Shivam. And all right. So seems like many people are here, and the audio is also clear. So let's just start the session. So this hiring by Cisco is an internship role, and the role is for software consulting engineer. As mentioned here, it is an internship opportunity for the 2023 batch. The location is Bangalore, and the area of expertise is customer experience. The job type is intern. And then, let's also scroll down and check out the eligibility criteria for the trial. All right. So, and by the way, the link to apply will be shared in the live chat as well as the comment section very soon. So just stick around till the end of the session. All right. So yeah. So you can find the eligibility criteria under the who you are section, and we will also be posting about it on our Instagram and on our other social media platforms. So if you're not connected to us, please join, and the links to which are in the description below. All right. So let's discuss the eligibility criteria now. Recent graduates or on your final year of studies towards bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, and related majors such as maths and physics. So basically, the 2023 graduate from bachelor's and master's field from the following streams would be eligible to apply for this drive. The minimum is an 8.5 GPA or higher. So, there is a criteria here as well. You need to have 8.5 CGPA in your academics to apply for this drive. Solid understanding of computer science fundamentals and software engineering, obviously, and you with an aptitude for learning new technologies. So you should be skilled enough, and you should have a good understanding of the fundamentals and of computer science, as well as you should have keen interest in learning more. So they are definitely looking for candidates who have been working on themselves, who are skilled, and who have the interest to learn even more. And then you have a strong knowledge of programming and scripting languages. Again, goes for any software engineering profile for any company. You need to have a good knowledge of programming, possess creative problem solving skills, experience in establishing and sustaining excellent relationship with the extended team. So basically, good communication skills. And then they have also mentioned excellent verbal and written skills. So this was the eligibility criteria for this drive. Let's also check out if there are any additional requirements. So solid fundamentals of data structures, algorithm, object-oriented design and programming. So again, you should be thorough with your concept of DSA and OOPS. Strong knowledge of Unix, Linux, a good understanding of cloud-based application. Then you also have solid understanding of computer science fundamentals, again mentioned by them, because this they would be definitely looking out for candidates who are really good with their computer science fundamentals. And then you have the strong knowledge of programming scripting languages like Java, Python, Scala, Golang, etc. So really good understanding in coding is required for this particular drive. And then you have strong testing inclination, exposure to debugging applications, and additional few criteria. Then you have familiar with CI/CD tools, namely GitHub, and a few more tools here. So yeah, this was about the requirements and the eligibility for this particular hiring, and how to apply. Basically, you will just come down to this page, click on the apply button here. You will be redirected to the sign in page. After that, you can put in all the required details correctly. Because most of the times the forms are not editable. So make sure that you are following all the steps given there. You are filling on the correct details, and you are ensuring that you make no mistakes so that you have a smooth application process and registration process. So this was about this drive by Cisco for the 2023 batch. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please keep dropping them in the chat below. We will be taking a few questions from the chat very soon. And if you want to ask anything related to Cisco or related to this particular hiring, please comment below. Our team is also active in the live chat. So yeah, that was it about this drive. Also, let's also discuss a little bit about what they have mentioned in terms of the requirements, basically, the preferred requirements that they will be looking for. So definitely they will be looking for candidates with a good knowledge of data structures, groups, and if this is not something that you have started working on, or if this of it, it's something that you need to work on, please start your preparations right away, because these are the basic requirements nowadays for almost every company. You need to have your basics right. So if you haven't started your preparations, start them right away. And then they've also mentioned a few more important details here. Everything is on the screen. And then you need to also have a strong knowledge of programming and scripting languages. So you should be good with your basics. You should be good with your whichever language you have from these languages here, whichever one you are well versed with, you need to have a really good knowledge of that. So that was it about this drive. And if you have any questions, again, please keep dropping them in the chat below. We will be soon answering them in the session, and the team is also active, so they will be answering your queries in the chat as well. All right, so that was about it. So now also discuss about how to get your basics right of coding, and how to get how to make sure that you have good knowledge of Java, and that you are well prepared for this drive. Uh, you know, Basically, any company that you go for, Cisco, Amazon, all of them have this particular criteria of DSA or any other programming languages, because obviously you need to have your coding right. So how to do that? This is your one-stop destination. Just let me show you the perfect answer to you. That is Prep and Step, right? Yeah. So just search Prep and Step Prime. Basically, if you are new to the channel and do not know about Prep and Step Prime, this is the website for you. This is the one-stop destination to make sure that you are prepared for all the drives that are coming in. The placement season is right around the corner. And if you have not started your preparations, or if there's something that you need to, start working on, be it any skill, be it any language, because obviously, as mentioned by Cisco, they were also looking for candidates who are good with technologies which are hot and running in the market currently, and are eager to learn. So obviously, they're looking for candidates who who have a good skill set, and who are eager to upskill themselves. So that is a very basic requirement nowadays with any company that you want to go for. So that is, if that is something that that is also your concern, and you want to get started with it, please come down to Prep and Step Prime, the link to which is already in the description, and the team will be sharing it in the chat as well. You can come down to the popular skills section, check out the AI, ML, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, cloud computing courses here. Or if you want to get your coding right, you can just come down to the popular languages section, start with learning Java, start with learning Python. Or if you just want to have the basic knowledge and you want to get started with a bit, you want to level up your coding game, then you can just come down to the basic coding and intermediate coding section, along with the DSA in C, C++, Java. Everything basically that you need to know related to coding is already here on the website. Please make sure to check that out. Also, we also have the aptitude section, verbal section. So as also mentioned, companies nowadays definitely look for candidates with good verbal and communication skills. So if that is also one of your concerns, we have got it covered for you. You can just scroll down to basically just check around the website, everything that you need to know for Cisco, Amazon, and just letting you know, we have another drive for the 2023 batch coming very soon on YouTube as well as on our Instagram. So if you have to start your preparations, because it's high time, guys, there is no time to waste anymore. Just come down to Prep and Step Prime and start preparing today. So this was about preparation, because most of you guys are always wondering, and our DMs are always flooded on Instagram as to how to start your preparations the right way. So, for profiles like these, the right way is to start with coding and to make sure that, first of all, your basics are right, your resume is up to date. If you have any, concerns regarding how to prepare a really good resume to make sure that you have, outstanding resume when you go for shortlisting processes, we have covered that for you as well on Prep Insta Prime. So you can just scroll down, come down to the resume preparation section, or if you have been shortlisted for interviews, you also have the interview preparation section right here. So everything that you need to know from your placement journey is covered by Prep Insta Prime. So make sure that you are checking out the website. All right, so we have covered the preparation parts as well. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, we hope that you are dropping them in the chat below, and we will now be taking some questions from there as well. Okay. Through the link to the registration of this particular drive will be shared soon in the description once the live session ends, and it will also be shared on our Instagram, where we are putting in a lot of content related to hiring updates. There are a lot of exclusive hiring updates that we do on our various social media platforms, be it Discord, Telegram, Instagram. So to make sure that you are not missing out on any important opportunity or any important update, please make sure to join our social media platforms. All the links are in the description below, and the registration link will also be shared soon in the description itself. All right. So again, there are a lot of concerns about the eligibility criteria. Let me, just show the eligibility criteria again. So it says you need to have 8.5 CGPA or higher in your academics. You should need to be a recent graduate from the master's or bachelor's degree. So goes for basically both. Masters can also apply for this drive in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, or related majors such as maths and physics. So everyone who was wondering about the eligibility criteria, it's right here on the screen. Please have a look. Also, if you want to have, a structured and detailed knowledge of this, because we totally understand that, it's a little difficult to keep scrolling through websites and look for, any important information, you can just join our Instagram handle, that is Prep Insta 2023, which let me also show the Instagram handle to you. So we have made this exclusive Instagram handle for our 2023 batch students, and there are also exclusive Instagram handles for the 2024, 2022, 2021 batch, and so on. So if you have friends from the other batches as well, and they are also looking for drive updates, you can just let them know about Prep Insta's Instagram handles, which are exclusive for all the batches, to make sure that you're only getting updates that are related to you. So yeah, this is the Prep Insta 2023 Instagram handle, and we have posted a lot of important information here. We will also be posting about Cisco soon. And if you come down to the page, you will find a lot of placement prep roadmap for freshers, a very important thing that we get asked a lot of times. So we have simplified it for you. We will also be simplifying everything about Cisco's drive on our Instagram post. So make sure that you are you are following us on Instagram and you look out for updates. And you can also check out this particular post we posted yesterday, which says do not use Python compiler in TCS MQT read by. As we guess most of you must have applied for the TCS MQT 2023 hiring. So this will be a very important post for you guys. So make sure that you check it out. Just come down to our page and keep scrolling, check out what hirings are going on, what are the important things that you need to know related to TCS, Cisco, or any other company that is hiring currently. Amazon is hiring for 2023 batch as well, and there are a lot more companies coming in for 2023 very soon. Also letting you guys know again, we also have one more hiring for the 2023 batch. So if you are not connected to us on our Instagram, make sure to join our Instagram channel very soon, because we will be posting about it first on our Instagram, and there's no guarantee to when the registrations will close up. So make sure that you are connected to us. All right, so let's I'm just answering a few questions from the chat now. Himaja is asking, is this drive different from Cisco Ideathon? Yes, this is an internship opportunity. That particular drive was a hackathon. Pavni is asking, will there be an exam for it. Yes, definitely, Pavni, you will go through the entire recruitment process. And if you want to know more about it, please DM us on our Instagram. Our team will help you out with all the information. Dhanush is asking, can you please share the link at the rate Prep Insta? Yeah, the link will be shared very soon once the live session ends. It will be available in the description of the video. It will also be there on our Instagram handle where we post a lot of exclusive drive updates and detailed instruction course based on whichever drives are ongoing for the 2023 batch, and all the details that you need to know. So make sure that you're connected to us on our Instagram as well. All right, so we guess that will be it for the session. If you still have any queries or if there are still any questions that you need to ask us, please make sure to come down to our Instagram or give us a call on 8448440710. You can directly connect with our mentors on the call and ask all your questions. We would be glad to help you out as you know the placement season. Again, guys, the placement season has been for the 2023 batch and there is no time left to waste. So if you want to apply to any drives, make sure that you are connected to us so that you get updates the first. And if you want to start your preparations or if you have any doubts related to TCS, Cisco, or any other company that is hiring the 2023 batch currently, please give us a call on 8448440710. Our team will help you out. So thank you for joining the session, and it was really good having you all here. We will be back on live again very soon. Today we have one more hiring update for you all for the 2023 batch graduates. So make sure that you come back to the channel and you're subscribed. So thank you, and see you soon.